What if I told you that this speck of dirt contained a tiny, hidden message? Today I'm going to show you how to squeeze pages of documents onto the tip of your finger using the same photographic technique used by spies and secret agents over 50 years ago. Today I'm going to show you how to make a microdot.
Just a ship and a strip of land. It could be anywhere.
My men found a microdot on the paper. Enlarge.
It's a microdot with nothing on it.
Microdots. Before computers, before the internet, this is the way secret agents sent and received hidden messages. The first microdots were sent by carrier pigeons during the Franco-Prussian War of the 1870s. During World War I and World War II, they became increasingly more popular in more advanced forms. But the basic technique involved taking a picture of a document and then shrinking that picture on a piece of photographic film. Later techniques used film with special dyes that made it more difficult for counter-espionage agents to detect the microdot. However, in this video I'll be using regular film, so we'll have to dye another day. The technique we'll be using in this video is called the British method, and if you were on Her Majesty's Secret Service, this is a technique you might have used. Your mission, should you wish to accept it, is to watch this video until the end and decipher the messages in the microdots. Can you hear me? Good. Here's the loadout for this mission. First, you'll need an analog camera with a sharp lens. Next, you'll need a fine-grain film, like T-Max 400. Did you know that it's the world's sharpest film? It has a tabular grain, which means the silver halide crystals tend to lie flat along the film surface. Anyway, it just means there's less scattering when light hits it. You'll also need a black foam core board. If you need to improvise, black Bristol board will do just fine. And finally, you'll need a mobile light source like a lamp. The brighter, the better. Use your film camera carefully to take the advantage. Remember, good luck. Here's our microdot. Imperceptible, hard to find. Even if you did find it, how would you read it? The first thing you're going to do is put your microdot on a slip of paper to make sure you don't lose it. Then you're going to need a strong backlight. Use your phone. Turn on the flash at the back and lay it on a flat surface. Then place the paper on the phone, ensuring your microdot is directly above the light. You're going to need some magnification to actually read it. I'm using a cheap USB microscope here. You can barely see it at first, it's almost like a spectre. But with some adjustments, it will eventually come into focus. The first layer of security for microdots is their size. They're so tiny and easy to camouflage that it really takes a golden eye to spot them. The second layer of security is to encrypt your message. Now the letters in my microdot are not random nonsense. I've encrypted them using an ancient Roman technique known as the Caesar box. It's rather simple. In order to decrypt your message, all you have to do is write your message from left to right, so it forms a perfectly square box, and then you can read your message unfiltered from top to bottom. If you've cracked the code on my microdot, let me know in the comments below. I'll throw in some bonus letters here to decrypt as well. Well, thank you for watching. This past year hasn't been easy, and I hope this video can offer you a quantum of solace during these rough times. See you on the next one.